A single mom has got an all-female staff, and her restaurant is her way, her style, her energy, her attitude. It's kind of like right out of a storybook. This is Joy's Once Upon a Time.
We have a bountiful beef for table 4.
Joy is totally whimsical.
She does amazing things with food.
I have a curried cashew coconut carrot coming up.
What she feeds you, what you walk into, really is her life story.
Portobello paninis coming up.
I think one of the things I love about this place is that it's all women chefs.
It's really about helping women, because I was a single mom.
I think you empower people.
It makes my heart sing.
It's pretty storybook here, girl.
If you know this place, you know that it's good.
You're never afraid to eat anything on the menu.
Turkey artichoke paninis both coming up.
The turkey artichoke panini with the basil dressing is just to die for.
The artichoke tapenade is different than anything I've ever tried before.
So what are we gonna make?
The turkey artichoke panini. So we're going to season our turkey breast with some salt and pepper, put it in our bag, put her in,
Teamwork.
vacuum seal it.
Into the sous vide, and while we're
Right.
doing that, we'll make the artichoke tapenade.
Sounds perfect. Artichokes, green stuffed olives in there, Parmesan, Asiago, and Romano, garlic, parsley, but it's Italian, salt and pepper, rind and lemon juice,
We're on the edge today, folks.
California olive oil, some basil.
And you must grow this.
I grow all my herbs.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that's done. Last but not least,
My famous fresh basil dressing.
famous.
People want to drink it out of the things they tell me, so yeah. Grapeseed oil, California olive oil, local honey, brown rice vinegar, white wine vinegar, a little bit of water, a little bit of onion, garlic,
She moves fast, folks. Stick with it.
oregano, dry mustard, Italian parsley,
Right.
and then our basil.
Okay.
And then a little bit of salt.
The chugging it thing, that's 1,000% drinkable. That's a savory milkshake. Okay, are we ready to make the sandwich?
Let's make the sandwich.
Fantastic.
We're gonna start with a really nice rustic bread, sous vide turkey,
Nice and tender.
artichoke tapenade.
Be generous with that.
The fresh basil dressing is gonna go over our tomatoes and the Swiss.
All right, let's go to the panini press. Can't believe there's cement here. There must be a path worn out where she's run back and forth. Smell and food trigger the most memory, in my opinion.
Absolutely.
So I was raised in a little town called Ferndale. I'm biting into this sandwich, and it took me back to Ferndale as a 10-year-old kid. The bread, the tapenade, the turkey, these are the kind of flavors I love. You either have to do each one of those pieces and do them exactly right, or it's not gonna work. You do it all right, with great ingredients and the right technique, you're gonna get this. Delicious.
Let's work on table 3, turkey artichoke panini.
The turkey is sliced thin, but there's plenty of it.
The basil dressing.
My favorite dressing.
I have filled a kiddie pool in the back of my Camaro.
The bread is always so yummy and perfectly toasted.